Welcome to Peaceful Narratives. Today, we embark on a transformative journey into the heart of forgiveness through the lens of Buddhist teachings. Imagine waking up each day without the heavy burden of anger and resentment, replaced instead by a refreshing sense of peace and compassion. What if I told you that by applying ancient wisdom to our modern lives, we could achieve this inner serenity? Stick around till the end of this video to discover a powerful bonus technique that will help you integrate these teachings into your daily life, unlocking not just forgiveness, but a path to profound emotional healing. Understanding forgiveness in Buddhism. Forgiveness is a pivotal theme in Buddhism, intertwined with compassion and understanding. The Buddha profoundly observed, holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. His teachings encourage us to release our grip on anger, not for others, but to liberate ourselves from suffering. The Four Noble Truths and Forgiveness. Central to Buddhist philosophy are the Four Noble Truths, a roadmap for understanding and overcoming suffering. The truth of suffering. Dukkha. Suffering is an inherent aspect of life. The truth of the cause of suffering. Samudaya. Attachment, desire, and ignorance fuel our suffering. The truth of the end of suffering. Nirodha. It is possible to overcome suffering. The truth of the path leading to the end of suffering. Magga. Following the Noble Eightfold Path paves the way to liberation. By understanding how anger and resentment cloud our perceptions, we can begin to view forgiveness as a vital tool for healing. The Noble Eightfold Path and practical forgiveness. The Noble Eightfold Path is a beautifully crafted guide that elucidates how we can cultivate forgiveness in our daily lives. Right understanding. Recognize that holding on to anger deteriorates your mental well-being. Right intention. Cultivate the intention to forgive. Letting go precedes healing. Right speech. Foster kind communication that uplifts rather than tears down. Right action. Choose actions that promote peace, both for yourself and others. Right livelihood. Make choices that do not harm others, supporting a forgiving mindset. Right effort. Put in consistent effort to cultivate positive mental states. Right mindfulness. Promote awareness of your thoughts. Acknowledge anger when it arises. Right concentration. Engage in meditation practices to deepen compassion and forgiveness. Deepening practice through meditation. Meditation remains key in Buddhist practices for enriching our capacity for forgiveness. Here are impactful meditation techniques. Loving kindness meditation, metta bhavana. Send love and kindness to yourself and even those who have hurt you. Compassion meditation, karuna bhavana. Focus on those who have wronged you and cultivate compassion for their suffering. Mindfulness meditation, vipassana. Observe your thoughts dispassionately. Recognize how holding on to grudges affects you emotionally and physically. These practices not only foster personal peace, but create ripples of compassion that can transform interpersonal relationships. Such principles aren't merely philosophical. Research shows that forgiving practices psychologically reduce anxiety and increase overall happiness, bolstering resilience in adverse situations. Integrating forgiveness into daily life. Forgiveness is a continuous journey rather than a destination. Practical techniques can assist in supporting this ethereal quality in our everyday spaces. Daily reflection. Allocate moments each day to contemplate any lingering resentments and choose to release them consciously. Gratitude practice. Develop gratitude for lessons learned through hardship. Adaptability can transform pain into wisdom. Compassionate actions. Small gestures of goodwill towards those who've hurt you can dramatically alter perceptions, fostering peace within. Mindful communication. When faced with conflicts, approach conversations thoughtfully, aiming to resolve rather than escalate tensions. Community support. Seek community engagement in meditation groups or discussion forums centered on forgiveness. Sharing experiences fosters collective healing. The psychological benefits of forgiveness. Beyond spiritual dimensions, forgiveness significantly impacts psychological health. Research validates that forgiving individuals experience reduced stress, enhanced emotional resilience, improved relationships with others, and self. This not only aligns with Buddhist teachings, but also emphasizes personal growth achieved through emotional liberation. Stories of forgiveness. To illustrate the power of forgiveness, let's explore a few stories from Buddhist teachings and real-life examples. The story of Angulimala. Angulimala was a feared bandit who wore a necklace of fingers from his victims. After encountering the Buddha, he renounced his violent ways and sought forgiveness. Through his transformation, Angulimala became a symbol of the power of forgiveness and redemption. Nelson Mandela. Although not a Buddhist, Mandela's journey of forgiveness after 27 years of imprisonment is a powerful testament to the healing power of letting go of anger and resentment. His ability to forgive his captors and work towards reconciliation helped heal a nation. Scientific insights on forgiveness. Empirical studies have shown that forgiveness decreases anger, anxiety, and depression, and increases self-esteem and hopefulness for the future. By letting go of grudges, individuals can experience significant improvements in their mental health and overall well-being. Practical tips for cultivating forgiveness. Here are some additional practical tips to help you cultivate forgiveness in your daily life. Practice empathy. Try to understand the perspective of the person who wronged you. This doesn't mean condoning their actions, but recognizing their humanity. Set boundaries. Forgiveness doesn't mean allowing others to continue hurting you. Establish healthy boundaries to protect yourself while letting go of resentment. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to forgive, consider seeking help from a therapist or counselor who can guide you through the process. The role of self-forgiveness. Forgiving oneself is often more challenging than forgiving others. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of self-compassion and recognizing that everyone makes mistakes. By forgiving ourselves, we can release the guilt and shame that hold us back and move forward with a sense of peace and self-acceptance. Forgiveness in relationships. Forgiveness is crucial in maintaining healthy relationships. Holding on to grudges can create barriers and prevent genuine connection. By practicing forgiveness, we can improve our relationships and create a more harmonious environment for ourselves and those around us. The ripple effect of forgiveness. When we forgive, we not only heal ourselves, but also create a ripple effect that can positively impact those around us. Our actions can inspire others to let go of their own resentments and embrace a more compassionate way of living. In conclusion, forgiveness embodies a deeply transformative practice capable of restoring tranquility within us all. By embracing Buddhist principles and faithfully integrating them, each step taken toward forgiveness translates into profound shifts toward inner peace and understanding. Thank you for joining today's exploration into the art of forgiveness. Remember, Every journey begins with a single step toward letting go. Don't miss out on your bonus technique, the Forgiveness Journal, a structured strategy where daily reflections empower you to document pains and consciously choose peace. Together, let's embrace this journey. If you found this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights at Peaceful Narratives. As promised, here is the bonus technique that can help you achieve lasting forgiveness. The Forgiveness Journal. This simple yet powerful tool involves writing down your thoughts and feelings about those who've wronged you. Each day, take a few minutes to reflect on these entries and consciously choose to let go of any lingering resentment. Over time, this practice can help you cultivate a deeper sense of compassion and understanding, leading to lasting forgiveness and inner peace. Stay tuned for more videos on how to integrate Buddhist teachings into your everyday life. Until next time, may you find peace and happiness on your path.